Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Inklet Gel Eyeliner in number 77. This is the darkest gel eyeliner out there. I love this versatile eyeliner since I can do my eyeliner so thin as I want to or thick as I want to, depending on the eye look that I want to do. Or I just want, if I wanna, do a different look, if I wanna blend it out, or if I wanna do kind of like a smoky eye, this gel eyeliner is the one that I go to. This is such a workable eyeliner that I can trust that it will stay in place for hours. So I love to play with this eyeliner. I know that I will have my makeup looking like this for hours. And that's my point of view.